How to download and install the Wechat application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to download and install the Wechat application on your Android, you can easily get it on the Play Store. For this, just open and launch the Play Store application. Tap on the search icon on the bottom right and on the search bar, tap on Wechat. Tap on it and you should be able to get the app. If you do not find it, you can search it on the Google for the SDK version as well. Next up, just tap on the install button and it will start the download. The speed of the download will depend upon the internet connection. And once the download is completed, the installation will automatically start on your device. And once all of this is done, this application or the button of open will turn into blue, which indicates that you can now open the application and use it. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.